Hello students. So we will discuss today that which among the following pair. Okay, you are given with a pair of alkyl halides. So out of the two alkyl halide, which one will be more reactive towards SN2? Okay, which one will be more reactive towards SN2? Let us see. So, you know that primary alkyl halide will be more reactive compared to secondary alkyl halide. This is a primary alkyl halide or 1 degree alkyl halide. Yes or no? This is 1 degree alkyl halide because the halogen is attached to a carbon that is bonded to a single carbon. The halogen is attached to a carbon that is bonded to a single carbon or not. That is why it is 1 degree alkyl halide. Come to second. Here halogen is bonded to that carbon which is bonded to two different carbons or not. This carbon which is bonded to the halogen is bonded to two carbon. So that is why it is 2 degree alkyl halide. Okay, 2 degree alkyl halide. So, you know the order of reactivity of SN2. 1 degree alkyl halide more reactive than 2 degree, more reactive than 3 degree. 1 degree is the most reactive. Why? Because of less steric hindrance. Okay, because of less steric hindrance, 1 degree is more reactive in SN2. Yes or no? 1 degree alkyl halide is more reactive compared to 2 degree because of lesser steric hindrance. So, the answer will be 1 degree alkyl halide will be more reactive. This 1 degree alkyl halide will be more reactive. Why? Because of less steric hindrance. Okay, because of less steric hindrance, this will be more reactive towards SN2. Okay, next we will do another bit. Let us do that. Okay, so let us do the second bit, reactivity towards SN2. It is given as CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, Br, or out of the two alkyl halide you have to choose which one is more reactive towards SN2. SN2. So here you have a 2 degree alkyl halide and this is a 3 degree alkyl halide. Observe it. Because halogen is linked to that carbon which is bonded to two carbons. Okay, that is why it is a 2 degree alkyl halide. Whereas here the halogen is bonded to that carbon that is bonded to three different carbons. So this is 3 degree alkyl halide. So which one is more reactive? Obviously 2 degree. Order we just saw, 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. So 2 degree alkyl halide will be more reactive. So answer will be the 2 degree alkyl halide more reactive, because same reason, 2 degree alkyl halide provides less steric hindrance. Lesser is the steric hindrance in SN2, more faster is the reaction. So 2 degree alkyl halide provides less steric hindrance. So that is why it is more reactive. Okay. Hence this is the answer. Next we will do the third bit. So I hope you have written. Next let us go to the third bit. All we are discussing SN2. Remember, more crowded is the alkyl halide, lesser will be its reactivity. Okay, more crowded is the alkyl halide, lesser will be the reactivity. So in the third bit we will use that concept. Here you have two types of alkyl halide. This is one, or this is another. Okay. Now you observe, in the two types of alkyl halide, in one alkyl halide the methyl group, the branched methyl group, is farther away from the halogen or not? In one of the alkyl halide, the first one, the branched methyl is farther away from the halogen, whereas in the second alkyl halide, the branched methyl is closer to the halogen. Okay, so this is more crowded or not? So I told, more crowded is the alkyl halide, lesser will be its reactivity. So this will be less reactive, this will be more reactive, because the branched methyl is farther away from the carbon containing the halogen, whereas in the second one the branched methyl group is nearer to the carbon containing the halogen. So since the branched methyl is nearer to the carbon containing the halogen, there is more steric repulsion will be observed or not, because there will be more crowdier. Here the crowdiness is more, it is more crowded, so there will be more steric hindrance. Okay, more crowded is the place, more hindrance or opposition the nucleophile will obtain. So here there will be less crowded, because the methyl is farther away from the carbon containing halogen. So this one will be more reactive, the first one. Why? Because the methyl group is farther away from carbon atom containing bromine, and hence less steric hindrance. Okay, less steric hindrance. That is why this will be more reactive. Okay, this is the answer. So this is all about predicting reactivity toward SN2 reaction. Thank you all.